Among the many things that give me pleasure and joy are watching things grow and then appreciating the beauty, but also with fresh herbs, using them in food. It's a lovely way to feel the cycle of life and to be part of that cycle of life. The beauty of flowers, the beauty of herbs that grow, all of that can be incredibly healing to my mind, to my spirit. You might find you like to have little pots in your kitchen with some fresh herbs that you use in your cooking. Or you might find that if space is limited, that the nature that you find most healing to you is on the internet or in TV shows. Wherever you find healing in nature, that is an incredible source of relaxation, rest, encouragement, and joy, as well as delicious food. So enjoy every moment of being with what you love and realize that nature in all its color and its varied appearance offers so much variety, just like human beings are so varied and so different.